we can get up until centimeter level of accuracy. Mapping is basically capturing a spatial data, and is a visual representations of the physical world. As an AONIC ecosystem, mapping is one of the foundations. It can reduce the human error and more accurate into the measurement, insight, and asset information. In terms of the accuracy, mapping, we can get up until centimeter level of accuracy. So that's why it's a very reliable data that stakeholder can use. Area mapping also very important for the agriculture segment, where the user able to fully utilize the data to manage their own plantation.
Mapping data is processed through our AI tree detection using EraMap to detect each and every tree in large land. This data then passed to our Mist Flight app for the drone spraying P2P mission. Data from mapping will help to identify the shape of the land, elevation, boundaries of the area before spraying is done. This helps spraying be more accurate, avoid overlap, and even coverage. All data from mapping to spraying consolidate in one connected system. We don't just build drones, we build a connected ecosystem that transforms how industry and agriculture work together.
Spraying operation is actually a operation that targeted on herbicide, pesticide, and also the fertilizer that we are using drones to cover the area of operation. It can reduce the manual labor, and also it can reduce the chemical efficiency. The spraying accuracy is very important because it can save the cost of the pesticide. The preparation that needed before we doing a spraying is we need to do the area mapping first, and then we do the automated flight path. In conclusion, the spraying operation represents a transformation shift in modern agriculture, combining precision, efficiency, and safety. So, precision in the field, insight across the ecosystem, that's the future of agriculture with AONIC.